Hi everybody, it's Miss Amadeo. I'm sorry I cannot be with you for the beginning of class today. I am hoping that I'll be able to join you toward the end of class, but I want to go over with you what I need you to work on today. So if you look at my screen right here at the agenda, you can see that there are 4 activities for you to work on today. So I want to go over each one with you. The first one is called Learning Style Study Strategies Sort Nearpod. So this is a Nearpod, and what you're going to do is sort out different activities that students use to help them to study. Let me show it to you. Okay, so let me go over to Nearpod. So the link is going to be in Google Classroom. This is what it looks like when you enter it. So here are the instructions. It says read each learning strategy, then decide which learning style goes with it. I'm going to make more space. I'm going to get rid of the instructions. And you can see over here, there are a lot of different activities. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. And the first thing I want you to do is to put the different types of learning styles up on the top. So you're going to drag and drop. So we have read, write, kinesthetic, tactile, auditory, and visual. All right, so now you have a chart here, and these are the titles that go with each one. Then you can go back up to the top and read through each one of these activities and figure out which learning style it's describing, or which strategy would go with the learning style. So the first one says, take screenshots or photos of class notes. Well, if I'm taking photos, I'm looking at images. So it's things I'm looking at. So that would be visual. So I'm going to click on it and drag it over here. And it kind of fits in. Do the best you can. Okay, and then so there's 16 all together, and I want you to go ahead and drag and drop and sort, and then you can click submit when you're finished. You are allowed to work with the people at your table, but each one of you still needs to do the Nearpod, okay? But work together and figure this out. So that is the first activity. The second one is to practice the learning style vocabulary, the pronunciation for it. I want you to be able to say these words. So we have an Ed puzzle. We haven't done these in my class yet. You might have done these before, but there will be a link that will come up in Google Classroom during class time. It's probably not up there yet. But basically, you're going to watch the video, and when you play it, there will be some multiple choice questions. So it's asking you, what sound do you hear? Which color vowel sound do you hear? So go ahead and go through this, and so that you can figure out how to pronounce each of these words. That's number 2. Number 3, we're going to put this all together in our color vowel journal. So in a little bit, you'll also get a link in Google Classroom, not just yet, but later on during class, that will take you to Book Creator. You should be able to get right in, but if you cannot, I believe this is the code. So check Google Classroom and input this code, but the link will be here. And then once you get in, find your book, and then you're going to add these 8 words to your page. So remember, when you use Book Creator to add words, we're adding text. So use the plus sign and text, and then you can type in the word. Try to remember to underline the vowels that making the sound. Okay, so that is number 3. I might be back by then, but if not, if you finish, then I'd like you to practice some language skills. And you'll find these also in Google Classroom, not in Unit 2, but if you continue to scroll down, there's something called language practice, and you should have some assignments in here. So you can work on these until the end of class. Or, yeah, if I get here, I'll see where you are. Okay, so anyway, good luck. Remember 3 before me. So read the directions, listen to the video, ask a partner, ask your table before you say, I don't know what to do. Okay, but I believe in you and I know that you can do it. And I will see you in a little while. All right, bye.